Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Angular 10 full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In the last two episodes, we have started learning about pipes. We started with basic introduction of the pipes, and we also learned about the built-in pipes, and we in the last concluded episode we learned about the parameterizing of pipes. Today we are going to learn about how to chain multiple pipes. Very interesting and important concept, especially when you're trying to kind of recreate the template outputs in different formats, right? So it's much easier to do with chaining pipes. We'll learn all about it in today's episode. Welcome back friends. This is part 33 of the Angular 10 complete tutorial playlist. I'm planning around 100 tutorials and we are already reaching 33 now. Soon we'll be starting a live project and that would be really interesting as well. Make sure that you check out the description box. I'm giving the GitHub link to the notes. Also, once we start the live project, I'll share the entire project code as well with you and how to access that code. So make sure you stay tuned to that. So on your screen right now, what you're seeing are the previous tutorials that we have covered in this series. Make sure that you check out all the topics because I've created all of these topics in detail along with notes and some practical use cases, which I'm sure will be helpful to you if you really want to learn and master Angular 10. Also, feel free to ask me any doubts that you have during any of these tutorials. That way, that's the only way to learn. All right, so that being said, today we are on episode number 33, that is chaining of pipes. So what is chaining of pipes? It's a pretty fairly simple, straightforward concept, which is you can use multiple pipes on a data input, right? So we know that pipes will take a data input which we convert it into a desired format. Now we can also attach and use multiple pipes on a particular data input, right? That's pretty straightforward as such. So we know how to use pipe. Now only thing is we will add multiple pipes to it, right? So let me show you with some examples. So I won't be creating any notes as such because this is fairly simple concept. All right, so let's do that. So let's put one more thing tab here, and this I'll call it chaining pipes. All right, so what is chaining pipes? So let's do one thing. Let's take up first example. I'll take up this date example, right? That's a good example. All right, so I have the date, right? So how do we see it here? You can see that this is date, and if you just want to chaining pipes, okay. All right, so chaining pipes. Now we see that this is the output, right? So now what I want is I want the number. This is NOV, right? It should be caps. So you can say uppercase, right? So what do you expect? Wherever there is string, that would be moved to uppercase. Now you see here it has become uppercase. This is one example where I'm using multiple um, pipes. There is date pipe, there is uppercase, right? So somebody can also say that, okay, let's use a currency pipe, right? So let's say, all right, so here, right? So if you say say see it, right? Oh, so here I can say let's use CAD and then we'll say use lowercase, right? So here basically we are, if you see here, CA is small now. If you don't have this, this would become caps. See here, CA dollar, right? So similarly, you get the idea that you can use multiple pipes on a single data element without having any more conditions or extra code heaviness. You can just keep on adding the number of pipes and it would do the magic for you, right? Fairly simple complex topic, nothing complex here on this. Do let me know if you have any use case which you think is complex in the comment section. I'll be happy to create that chaining pipe for you example. But yeah, otherwise it should be straightforward. Give it a try, let me know how it goes. If you like my tutorial, if you like my work, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. In the next episode, we will start with Angular router. I know I'm not creating custom pipe just yet, That is because I don't want to get you into complex things. I know a lot of you are absolute beginners who are learning with me. I don't want to take you to a topic where you lose interest on learning Angular. Alright, so stay with me. I will make sure that you master Angular 10. Just follow along with me because I will cover all the foundation concepts first. We learn through live project and then we jump to little complex ones, right? Step by step. We'll go step by step, baby steps. Alright, so make sure you stay tuned to it because it's a very exciting topic, Angular router. With after that, we start the real-time project because that would cover all your groundwork for basic building of the static websites, right? So it would be fun, it would be interesting. Stay tuned. We will learn about Angular router in the next episode. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.